Welcome to Seven Bulls. We break down finance so that anyone can understand. Roll the intro. Hello, fellow investors. Welcome to Seven Bulls. In the world of investing, knowledge truly is power. Today, I want to step away from valuation and get into a few of the books that have been absolutely crucial to my development as an investor. These aren't just books I read and put aside. They're the ones that fundamentally shifted my understanding of the market, refined my strategies, and gave me the confidence to navigate the complexities of the financial world. Before we move on, if you find value in today's video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share. Also, watch until the end and feel free to leave a comment on the books that have played a large role in your own growth. Thank you. Now let's get to it. Every investor needs a solid foundation, and for me, that started with The Little Book of Value Investing by Christopher H. Brown. This book is a fantastic introduction to the world of value investing, breaking down complex concepts into digestible pieces. Brown illuminates the core principles of finding undervalued companies, assessing intrinsic value, and understanding the margin of safety, all essential tools for any value investor. Great book for beginner investors to get their feet wet. But value investing isn't just about finding bargains, it's about uncovering those rare gems with explosive growth potential. That's where my second book, 100 Baggers Stocks That Return 100 to 1 and How to Find Them, by Christopher W. Mayer, comes in. This book opened my eyes to the incredible power of long term investing and the possibility of achieving truly extraordinary returns. Mayer dives deep into the history of 100 baggers, analyzing the common traits and strategies that propelled these companies to astronomical heights. Now, while numbers and data are essential in investing, we can't ignore the human element. The Richest Man in Babylon by George S. Clason provides timeless wisdom about personal finance and wealth building through engaging parables set in ancient Babylon. This book emphasizes the importance of sound financial habits, disciplined saving, and the power of compounding, principles that remain relevant even thousands of years later. Building on this understanding of human behavior, The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housel takes a deep dive into the psychological factors that influence our financial decisions. This book explores how our emotions, biases, and even our upbringing can impact our investment choices, often leading to irrational behavior. By understanding these psychological pitfalls, we can become more aware investors and make more rational decisions. To truly excel in investing, it's essential to learn from those who have come before us. The Warren Buffett's Next Door by Matthew Schifrin shines a light on the world of super investors, ordinary individuals who have achieved extraordinary returns through disciplined value investing and long term vision. This book demonstrates that anyone can achieve financial success with the right mindset and approach. But learning from the past also means understanding market history and the cyclical nature of booms and busts. Devil Take the Hindmost by Edward Chancellor provides a captivating exploration of financial speculation and market bubbles throughout history, from the Dutch tulip mania to the dot-com crash. By studying these historical patterns, we can gain valuable insights into market psychology and avoid repeating the mistakes of the past. Gaining a diverse range of perspectives is crucial for any investor, and One Up on Wall Street by Peter Lynch offers a unique viewpoint from a Wall Street legend. Lynch, the former manager of Fidelity's Magellan Fund, shares his insights on investing in what you know, conducting your own research, and taking advantage of the knowledge you gain from your everyday experiences. Finally, to understand the bigger picture, or the macro, and the role of money in our economy, I turn to What Has Government Done to Our Money by Murray N. Rothbard. This book challenges conventional thinking about money and banking, offering a thought provoking analysis of government intervention in monetary systems and its potential consequences. These books represent just a glimpse into the vast library of knowledge that has shaped my investment journey. Each one has provided invaluable insights, expanded my understanding, and helped me become a more informed and confident investor. I encourage you to explore these titles and discover the ones that resonate with you on your own path to financial success. Remember, continuous learning is the key to navigating the ever changing world of investing. Thanks for watching. Remember, keep up with your financial education. You're the only one in charge of your future. Be safe.
We grew